Hey guys, welcome to this video. In this video, I'll be talking about data visualization. So let's get started. First question is, what is the meaning of data visualization? First, what is data? Data means you can consider any information you observed in this universe. And what is the meaning of visualization? This is my personal opinion. Visualization means convert the existence form of data into some understandable form. Ever you think if you change the format or form of data into some visual form, you will get better insights from the data, and you will understand better the data. So why I'm saying to you, if you don't believe me, let's take the example. So suppose this is the data frame. Data is available in the data frame format, and it has a 10,000 observation. So and in right hand side you can see the visual form of the same 10,000 observation. So one condition what I think, if the data set is very small, suppose you are reading a book where only 2 or 3 lines only, that's where I don't think data visualization is very useful. But as data size is getting bigger, and our in that scenario our mind is getting confused and searching for the shortcut to summarize the data. That's where data visualization is comes and solve this problem. Data visualization is very useful to understand the bigger data set. Another example you can think as, suppose as you can see in the screen, this is the textual representation of the data. This is the location data. And if you in right hand side, if you this is the visual data. In fact, visual data is more easily digested by your brain. This is another example you can think as, this is the difference data. I am just talking here the difference between the Ram and Sham. But as you can see is the textual representation of data, and in another side you can think a visual way. So visual way is more effective way to communicate with the employer or any public. You can think as, this is the another example you can think as, this is the frequency data, and this is the visual representation of data. You can use data visualization to understand the universe also. So if you observed, most of the data set data under most of the understandable form present in 2D plane. So visualize in a 2D plane is you can think as it is given by introduced by the French mathematician or philosopher. His name is René Descartes. So he introduced a Cartesian coordinate geometry, and in Cartesian coordinate system what you do, you make a two line in a 2D surface. You can think as a screen or paper, whatever you like. And in one line you put a variable one. Variable means any in variable means is a container of data. You can think as a it is a data one. In another line this is the data 2. One line is called x-axis and another line is called y-axis. This is the only name given to the line 1, line 2, x-axis and y-axis. You can think another name of it, but x-axis and y-axis is generally used. Cartesian coordinate system gave us a way to visualize the algebraic function which you study in the mathematics, and it is also used in the economics. You can visualize the demand and price, and almost you can find these things, Cartesian coordinate system, used everywhere. Every subject you see Cartesian coordinate system, you see on physics, biology, geography, even you see in your daily life. If I explain the demand and price diagram, first you need to know what is the meaning of price, what is the meaning of demand. So I will demonstrate you guys with a very simple example you can find in your daily life. Now suppose this is Ravi, and he is a ecologist PhD, and he wants to study the lifestyle of two bird. So there are two bird 1 and bird 2. As you can see, the wing of bird 2 is red. And what is the special about these two bird? So bird 1 is found in the morning, every morning, and bird 2 you can found in a evening. I take in x-axis the bird 1 data, and in y-axis I took bird 2 data. So this is the morning time, and he go to the national park for study the bird. So he going like that. He reached in that place, and what he observed that bird 1 ate four fish, and this information he note in his notebook. Now it's evening, and he ready to go to the national park. He going like that, and he reached in that place, and he observed that bird 2 ate 6 fish. Like that he observed on second day also, and on third day in the morning. So on what happened on the third day observation, suppose this is the afternoon time on the third day, and there is some work for Ravi. He decided to go with his car. Now he going to the market for some work. He going like that, and suddenly what happened that uh, he had an accident. Now he is injured and said that he could not collect the data on the of bird 2 on third day. So he is worried about his research, and suddenly he thought why he not use the Cartesian coordinate system. So he analyzed the data by the use of Cartesian coordinate system. So what he found, if you make a line in that place, you will get answer. So if you analyze these things, you will get the 5 answer. So similarly he analyzed the data by the use of Cartesian coordinate system. I mean visualize the data set, and finally he got the answer. In fact he get the prediction without physically present in the that place. So this is the power of visualization. Is in this example you can see that you can make the prediction by the use of graph. For data visualization there are many tools available, but I will use the ggplot2, which is package available in R. I will see on next video. Thank you.